Saving money can be a challenge, especially when earning a low income. However, it is not impossible. In fact, with a little bit of effort and resourcefulness, anyone can save a significant amount of money over time. In this video, we'll share 24 money-saving tips. We advise you to watch the video to the end because the last tip is life-changing. Welcome to the Finance Bowl, where we give simple money and investing tips. Let's start. Number 1. Save what you can. Saving money is an important habit to develop, regardless of how much money you make. The idea behind this point is to encourage you to save as much money as possible, even if it's just a small amount each month. Every little bit counts and can add up over time, so try to make saving a regular habit. Number 2. Save first. One of the most effective ways to ensure that you save money is to prioritize it. This means that you should make saving a priority over other expenses. Instead of spending first and saving whatever is left over, set aside a portion of your income for savings right from the start. This could be as little as 10% of your income, or as much as you can afford. By saving first, you ensure that you always have some money set aside for emergencies or future goals. Number 3. Open a savings account. A savings account is a great tool for storing and growing your money. By opening a savings account, you can earn interest on your money while keeping it safe and accessible. Look for a savings account with a good interest rate and low fees, and make sure to keep track of your account balance so you don't accidentally overdraw. Number 4. Start a budget. Creating a budget is an essential step towards financial stability. A budget is a plan that helps you track your income and expenses, and can help you identify areas where you can save money. To create a budget, start by listing all of your sources of income and all of your expenses. Then, divide your expenses into categories such as housing, transportation, food, etc., and assign a dollar amount to each category. Finally, compare your total expenses to your total income, and make adjustments as needed to ensure that you're not spending more than you're making. Number 5. Lower housing expenses. Housing expenses can be a significant portion of your budget, so finding ways to lower them can help you save money. You could consider downsizing to a smaller home or apartment, moving to a less expensive area, or finding a roommate to split rent and utilities with. If you own your home, you could look into refinancing your mortgage to lower your monthly payments. Number 6. Lower car expenses. Cars can also be a big expense, so finding ways to save money on transportation can be helpful. You could consider downsizing to a more affordable car, using public transportation or carpooling or biking or walking to nearby destinations. Regular car maintenance and driving efficiently can also help reduce expenses, such as by improving fuel efficiency. Number 7. Spend less on food. Food expenses can add up quickly, but there are ways to save money without sacrificing nutrition. One approach is to plan meals in advance and make a grocery list before shopping to avoid impulse purchases. You could also consider buying store brand or generic products, cooking at home instead of eating out, and using coupons or other discounts to save money. Additionally, you could try buying food in bulk and freezing or preserving it for later use. Number 8. Prioritize your health. While it may seem counterintuitive, investing in your health can actually help you save money in the long run. Prioritizing preventive care and healthy habits, such as regular exercise and a balanced diet, can help you avoid costly medical expenses later on. You could also consider finding ways to reduce stress, such as through mindfulness practices or therapy, as stress can have negative effects on both your physical and mental health. Additionally, prioritizing your health can improve your overall quality of life and productivity, which can have financial benefits as well. Number 9. Eliminate bad habits. Bad habits can negatively impact our lives and lead to financial and health issues. Examples of bad habits that may need to be eliminated include smoking, excessive drinking, overspending, procrastination, and overeating. It's important to identify and acknowledge these habits, and then create a plan to overcome them. This may involve seeking support from friends, family, or professionals, and replacing these habits with healthier alternatives. Number 10. Cut entertainment expenses. Entertainment expenses can quickly add up and put a strain on our finances. To cut back on entertainment expenses, you could try reducing the frequency of eating out or going to the movies, finding free or low-cost activities to do instead, canceling subscriptions or memberships that you don't use or need, and exploring alternative forms of entertainment such as reading, hiking, or playing board games with friends. Number 11. No-spend month. A no-spend month is a challenge where you commit to not spending any money on non-essential items for an entire month. This can help you to reevaluate your spending habits, identify areas where you may be overspending, and save money for more important goals. During a no-spend month, you may need to get creative with meal planning, find free activities to do, and avoid unnecessary purchases. It's important to set realistic goals and have a support system in place to help you stick to your commitment. Number 12. Do it yourself. One of the best ways to save money is by learning how to fix or replace things on your own. This can include anything from small repairs around the house to basic car maintenance. By using resources like YouTube or dedicated websites, you can teach yourself these skills and avoid having to pay someone else to do it for you. Number 13. Switch banks. Different banks offer different perks to their customers, so it's important to do your research and find one that fits your needs. Look for a bank that offers benefits such as no maintenance costs, no ATM fees, no overdraft fees, and high interest rates on savings accounts. By switching to a better bank, you can save money on fees and earn more interest on your savings. Number 14. Get freebies, coupons, and deals. Many businesses offer free or discounted services as a way to attract new customers. Look for opportunities to get free haircuts at local beauty schools or discounts on workout classes from websites like Groupon or Living Social. By taking advantage of these deals, you can save money while still enjoying the things you love. Number 15. Take shorter, cooler showers. Reducing the amount of time you spend in the shower and using cooler water can help you save money on your water and electricity bills. By taking shorter showers, you can conserve water and reduce your water bill. Additionally, cooler water means your water heater won't have to work as hard, which can help lower your electricity bill. Number 16. Automate savings and bill pay. Automating your savings and bill payments can help you avoid late fees and penalties by ensuring that your bills are always paid on time. Set up direct deposit for all necessary expenses, so your bank can automatically pay from your account. Similarly, you can automate investing to help you save money regularly without having to think about it. Number 17. Reduce heating and cooling expenses. Heating and cooling expenses can add up quickly, especially during extreme temperatures. Using a programmable thermostat can help you save money by automatically adjusting the temperature when you're not at home. This can save you around $200 annually that you would otherwise spent on heating and cooling. Additionally, investing in a standing fan instead of running the AC all the time in the summer can help you save even more money. Number 18. Unplug appliances. Appliances can continue to consume energy even when they're not in use, which can result in higher electricity bills. Some heavy appliances that could be causing an increase in your bills are computers, televisions, phone chargers, stereos, microwaves, and coffee makers. Unplug them when not in use to save on your electricity bill each month. Number 19. Stick to your list. Building a shopping list and sticking to it can help you avoid impulse purchases and save money. Always shop on a full stomach so you don't end up buying junk food. Try the 30-day rule to control the impulse to purchase unnecessary items, so you can always shop with a plan. By sticking to your list, you can avoid buying items that you don't need and save money in the process. Number 20. Pack your lunch. Bringing your lunch to work or school can help you save a significant amount of money. Instead of spending money on expensive meals, you can pack a healthier and cheaper option at home. You can make your lunch with the leftovers from dinner or prepare sandwiches, salads, or other easy-to-make meals. By packing your lunch, you can save up to hundreds of dollars a month. Number 21. Save on transport. Transportation expenses can add up quickly. To save money, consider walking or biking to work or school if it is feasible. Not only does this save you money on gas or public transportation, but it can also improve your health. If walking or biking is not an option, consider carpooling with coworkers to share the cost of gas and reduce the wear and tear on your car. Number 22. Discount clothes shopping. Waiting for sales to buy clothes can help you save money while still being able to purchase new items. You can subscribe to newsletters from your favorite stores to be notified of upcoming sales, or check their websites regularly. You can also shop at discount stores or buy clothes from thrift stores to save even more money. Number 23. Bank any extra. When you receive extra money, such as a bonus, tax refund, or cash gift, it can be tempting to spend it on something you want. However, consider putting it in a savings account instead. By saving the extra money, you can build up an emergency fund, pay off debt, or save for a big purchase. It can be helpful to automate your savings so that the extra money goes directly into your savings account before you have a chance to spend it. Number 24. Subscribe to the Finance Bowl. Last but not least, you should subscribe to the Finance Bowl for more money and investing tips. Thank you for watching the video, and until next time.